Dear student of class 7th, today we are going to discuss a new chapter in MT, chapter 6, right decision. Taking right decision at the right time is very important. Sometimes one get confused whether a thing or situation is right or wrong, especially children suffer much this trouble. Their tender minds are not capable enough to judge a thing or situation properly. Sometimes they consider thing wrong as right and sometimes right as wrong. Now let's discuss a story related to this topic. Anil, Sujit, and Aman are three friends. They studying in same class in school and are living in same lane. They are close neighbor. In the evening, the three friends would play cricket or football or watch something on television together. Often, they were allowed to go out together for a special outing during the day. One day, Sujit and Aman were sitting on the stair and eating chips. They were looking for Anil. Suddenly, Anil came with a mask hanging in his hand. Sujit asked, "What is it?" Anil said, "It is a mask. It is a copy of the mask of the great magician P.C. Sarkar Jr. was wearing yesterday." "You mean you saw a magic show yesterday?" asked Aman curiously. "Yes, it was a great fun." Now, both Sujit and Aman are curious to know what Anil saw in the magic show. Just as Anil was getting ready to tell him about the magic show, the bell will rang. The lunch break was over. Then they decide to meet in the evening at 5 o'clock in the playground. In the playground, they all were sitting near Anil to listen the tales about the magic show, the fire catching man, the disappearing elephant, and the water of India. It was absolutely fascinating. Other boys and girls from the colony had also joined them. Some had even seen the show and were telling them about the girl who was cut into two but did not die. After listening about the magic show, Sujit was excited and told that I am going to ask my father to take us for the show. Then Aman replied, "That's lovely. I will take permission from my parents to come with you." Well, you well, then Anil said, "You will better to go tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last day of the show." Sudden, Suddenly, Sujit go to his father for taking the permission. When other boys and girls were starting was start playing football while Aman waited patiently for Sujit to return. Sujit came back with chest fallen. What's matter, Sujit? Aman asked. My parents have important meeting tomorrow evening. They can't take us to see the magic show. Do you think your parent will take? No, Sujit. I know that they can't take. My grandparents were coming tomorrow. Their train will arrive at 7:30 p.m. and they both will go to the station to receive them. Anil told that the play show start at the circus start at 7 p.m. Then they think that if tomorrow will be a holiday, we could have gone for afternoon show and our parents would have allowed me to go alone during the day. But tomorrow is not a holiday. Now both will think what they do. They can't They could miss their school tomorrow to go for so instead, but their parent not allowed to miss their school. Suddenly, one of their friend suggest him to miss their school and go to see the magic show. They leave from their home for school as usual and instead of going to school go to a park, wait there till 12 noon. The first show start at 12 noon and finishing at 10:30 p.m. and they will be at home as usual at 4 p.m. and no one realize that they have been away from school. They suggest that everyone does it. So many of us have seen movies and been to the circus and fade from school. It's all right, but that's wrong. You are cheating your parents if you do so, Aman replied. How can we think of doing such a thing? Our parents trust us. They accept us to go to school when we leave the house, Sujit added. Now, after thinking some time, both decided to do the same. They came for school, but instead of going to school, they go for watching the magic show. Next morning, Aman and Sujit meet at the bus stop. They didn't speak about bunking school. They talk about cricket and football instead. They sit on the bus on separate seat while others are discussing about the cricket match between Sri Lanka and India. They neither take part in that and sat staring out of the window. Soon the bus reached the school. Everyone got off and entered the school gate. Aman and Sujit stood outside it and stared at each other. Suddenly, Aman was Aman said that I am going in without looking at Sujit. He started running toward the gate. Wait for me, Sujit shouted. I was going to tell you the same thing. The two friends then ran into the school. Somehow they somehow the magic show didn't seem important at all. They enjoyed their day in school more than ever before. Means at the last moment they take the right decision as their parent trust upon them. They don't want to cheat them and they leave the plan of showing the magic show, and even they enjoyed more than that of the magic show that day in school. Now this is about the chapter. Thank you.